Happy holidays from the English Center. My name is Eric Suini, and today I will be your English teacher slash chef because I've been getting a lot of questions about what do Americans traditionally eat on either Christmas or New Year's? Well, traditionally, we eat either a turkey or a Christmas ham. In today's cooking class, we're going to learn how to cook sweet vegetables. Now, these are 3 different side dishes: a sweet glazed corn, a sweet glazed peas, and sweet glazed carrots. Now, in the first part of the video, we're going to learn how to cook the sweet glazed carrots. All 3 dishes are cooked practically the same. The only difference is, in the sweet glazed carrots, they'll be cooked slightly longer and marinated longer. But other than that, it's the same process. Now, the way this is going to work, I'm going to show you one screen that's going to show you in picture form what to do. Then I'm going to show you the instructions in Russian. And then on the next screen, I'm going to show you the same picture, but instructions in English. That way you can switch back and forth to see the different words. If you have any questions, just hit the pause button. All right, well, let's get cooking. Well, I hope you enjoyed our English class slash cooking class as much as I enjoyed sharing some of my favorite American traditional holiday cuisine. If you have any questions about anything you saw or read, you're welcome to contact me through my site or through the email listed below. If you would like to schedule an actual Zoom English class with me, you can contact me through my site, the same email, or call the numbers listed below. Have a wonderful holiday and good luck in the kitchen.